Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can exclude values in COUNTIF. So the COUNTIF functions is used to count cells based on conditions, and if you need to exclude certain values while counting, I'm going to show you different methods through this video. So the first one, for example, you want to exclude a single value, you can just use the not equal to sign to exclude a specific value. For example, in here, I have list of fruits on my Google Sheets and I want to exclude, let's say, mandarins from here. So what you need to do is just use COUNTIF, and then the range is A1 until A20, and the exception you can just write it like this, comma, apostrophe, and the not equal to. Just write it like this, for example, and I'm going to just write mandarins, and then close it, hit on enter, and as you guys can see, the COUNTIF came out as 17. Exclude the mandarins from the data. And if you want to exclude multiple values, you can again just use this COUNTIF, but write it like this. You can just write COUNTIFs using as on multiple criteria. So after you write, let's say, mandarins in here, use comma again, and then write the criteria range again in here, A1 until A20, and write the criteria from here not equal to, let's say, I want to exclude grapes, like this, and hit on enter. Now it will come out as 14. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand the way you can exclude COUNTIF a certain value on COUNTIF. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.